Samsung is launching a new smartphone to the market. The smartphone will be a mid-ranger, which will be called Samsung Galaxy M56. Hello friends, welcome back to my channel and subscribe my channel for more latest videos. Thanks. 6 will have an Super AMOLED touchscreen display, creating a high resolution of 1080 by 2340 pixels with 6.70 inches screen size, 120 Hz refresh rate. The chipset will be Exynos 1480. There will be an octa-core processor. The smartphone is fitted with 8 GB RAM and 256 GB of internal memory capacity. And main sensor will be 50 megapixel wide. The smartphone will be an under-display optical fingerprint reader. The battery of this phone will be non-removable 5000 mAh. Phone will run with Android operating system. That's all for now and thanks for watching.